welcome back to our makeup channel. Today I have a very exciting video. Today I am going to be unboxing this box from Hush. I do have my address on this side, so I will try not to show my address. But this is the box that I got in the mail. Now I did have somebody ask me and tell me like how did I get these products, that I ordered them, because they really wanted to know what I got. And to be honest, I didn't purchase any of these products. I actually had Hush reach out to me, and which was really strange for me because I was like, what, somebody's reaching out to me? Like, it was kind of scary. So I did double check on their website if it was true or not, because you just never know, you know, somebody can be trying to hack you or whatever. And no, it was actually them. They ended up sending me a couple of their palettes, and all they asked was for me to open this box here with you guys today and tell you guys the truth of what I think. So I'm super excited because if you guys don't know, Hush is like a company that's really known right now for making like really cheap dupes of like high-end eyeshadow palettes. For example, they have this palette right here, which I will be putting a picture in here, which is a dupe for the Huda Beauty palette, obviously. And a lot of people been going crazy for this because they're supposed to be really good quality, but just like a lower price and just more affordable to whoever wants to try them out. And honestly, I'm so excited to try it out because I'm like you guys, I like to purchase makeup, and if it's cheap and it's good quality, then hell yeah, bring it on, you know what I'm saying? I do spend a lot of money on eyeshadow palettes, so I mean, like, I just can't wait to really just try these eyeshadow palettes and see if they're worth it or not. Today we're just gonna be doing an unboxing. As I see the palette that I have in here, please let me know which one you want me to try out first in the comments down below. But let's just open this up. Before I show my address, I really want to say I love this packaging from Hush. This super cute, super pink. It's just amazing. Like, I really love the packaging a lot. Let's just open the box already, because I didn't tell you guys, but I actually have to go to work right now, so I'm like, Jesus. Okay, so this is how it looks in the inside. I think this is just like, oh, I almost showed my address again. Okay, so it has bubble wrap. Oh my god, this is really good because a lot of palettes do end up breaking when they don't have good padding. So they went with that. It's actually super in there, which makes me really confident. Okay, so it has 2 layers of bubble wrap. That's really good. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I'm so happy right now. So it does have like 2 layers of bubble wrap. This is how they come, and I can't stop. I just love bubble wrap. Okay, anyways, let's just stop because I could be here all day. This is so exciting. This is so exciting. Okay, so the first palette that I see here is the Athena one, which, if I'm not mistaken, this one is the one that they compare to the Huda Beauty palette. Okay, so the packaging is super freaking cute in this palette. I cannot deny it. Like wow. Ooh, super beautiful. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Look at this. Super beautiful. Now it does have the reflective thing here, so let me just take that off. The second palette we have is Aphrodite. I don't know if I'm saying this right, TBA, please don't make fun of me. But super cute packaging too, black and gold. I love it. Does have 18 colors, it says. I don't know which one I'm gonna swatch. I really want to swatch all of them. Oh my god, this one is super freaking beautiful. There's no way. Like, I want to try it right now. Look at this, how beautiful. This is how it looks, packaging and all. I'm so excited. I just want to try them all right now. So the next palette is this Inferno one. Look at the freaking packaging, guys. This is freaking so beautiful right now. Like, I can't. So this is how it looks from the inside. It's super cute. Oh my god, guys. You guys are not ready for this. You guys are not. Look at this. Look at these warm colors. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the 4th palette I got. I don't even know how many palettes I got. The 4th palette. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Okay, I think I'm gonna say that about everything. I'm sorry if I'm sounding annoying, but look at this palette. Look at the freaking packaging. Oh my god. So this is how this one looks, and just look at the colors. Like, you just really want to put it on your eyes already. This one does look like the ABH one, straight up, because I recently used it in one of my videos. Oh my gosh, should I recreate the look? Please let me know. Look at how freaking beautiful this palette is. The next palette is called Retro Love, and it comes in this blue packaging. Let's look at it really quick. I do want to swatch one of these for you guys, so I will be cutting to that because we do have to open one more palette. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. This is how the packaging is on the inside, and just really quick to tell you guys, I feel like the packaging on the outside is always gonna look like the one on the inside. It's kind of what happens with all the palettes that we have open. Oh my god. So obviously this is the ABH one that everybody hated, which I just had a brain fart. I put the name right here. I just literally had a brain fart. But look at this. If this one works, I'll be so freaking happy, TBH, because I love the colors in that palette, but they just didn't work. This is gonna be the last palette. This one is called Aura. The packaging is the same as the palette. Honestly, guys, as feeling the palettes too, I really want to let you guys know they feel such good quality packaging, and I will be putting the price if I didn't put them already, because honestly the packaging so sturdy. Like, it doesn't feel flimsy or cheap. It really doesn't. So guys, I cannot express to you how happy I'm to have these palettes. Look at this freaking color. Is calling my name. I'm just really I have to oh my god. Oh my god. For this video, I also want to swatch one of these palettes because I really want to let you guys know how it is. And I am going to be swatching Aphrodite, like you guys saw on my Snapchat. If you guys don't follow me on Snapchat, what is you doing with your life? You know what I'm saying? So let's go and swatch this one. Swatches for the palette Aphrodite. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. I know you guys will enjoy a video where I actually put these palettes to the test. So tell me which one you guys want me to try out first. I do have most of all these palettes to compare to, so I can do half doing one palette, half doing like the original. Please let me know down below. And again, thank you so much to Hush that actually sent me out these palettes so I can try them out. Honestly, I am so happy. I will be leaving all the palettes that they sent me down below so you guys can check them out. They're honestly so affordable. So thank you again, Hush. I am so highly impressed with the packaging, with everything. First impressions, honestly, it didn't let me down. Although they are very affordable packaging wise, to be honest, they feel like high-end. Not throwing any shade at anybody, but this literally feels like the Huda Beauty palette packaging. So I mean, you're paying less for really good quality packaging, TBH. So just let me know down below your thoughts, and if you're as happy as me for me to try these out. I really do love you guys, and I'm sorry that I've been gone so long. I don't want to give you guys an explanation because you guys know that I'm always working hard and going to school and doing my stuff, and I know you guys understand me for not being here as regularly as I would like to. So with that, I'll just catch you guys in the next video. Bye.